Welcome to Chuche's Mind. Good morning, my neighbor. How are you doing? Are you feeling okay? I know I look so tired. I'm just waking up. I want to sleep some more, but I actually can't sleep. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like I have work to do. I have things to do, which I actually do. But yeah, I just want to say good morning from London town. I won't be doing I won't be doing an apartment tour because I'm respecting my friend. You know, I'm a squatter out here. So yeah, there's no point of trying to show you guys where I'm staying at the moment because it's not my place. And it's not an Airbnb situation or an agent situation. So yeah, we'll respect that. Okay? So what's the plan for today? You guys, you know I'm so excited. Like, you know, if you guys have been watching me before I moved back to Nigeria, you guys will have known that I'm always excited for creating content. And here in UK, you can basically create content without spending money. Like, the list is endless. There are so many things you can do without spending money. But today I'm going to be spending money anyways, but you get what I'm trying to say. With Nigeria, it's just there are limited things because of the way people are always like, why are you vlogging? Don't camera this place. What are you doing? All that kind of stuff. But here, who's gonna ask me? Nobody. I said, what? Nobody. So, today's itinerary. I'm supposed to be working on my video, but I'm like, I need to chill. Because the pressure I put on myself to create content for YouTube is mad. And then most times the outcome, I'm just like, after all the effort and energy I put, look at how many views. But that ain't gonna stop me. Even if I have 1 view on my video, I'm still gonna be making videos and posting. Because one day, that 1 view gonna be 1 billion views. Somebody say amen. Thank you. Good morning, afternoon. Good afternoon to you. So, I am on my way to the Prince Lagos. I think it's in Lagos, the Prince London. I think that's the name of the restaurant. I'm panting because I'm working. I'm a lazy human being. So I'm meeting up with Shiloh, darling. Oh guys, I miss London again. You guys are going to hear me say I miss London because I missed walking. I'm here to lose weight. I'm walking everywhere. Nothing like car to drive. Hey guys, I meant to meet up with Shiloh at 2 and I left my house at 12 because Google Maps said it's going to take like an hour plus to get here, but now the time is like 10 minutes past 1. I have about 50 minutes to waste. But yeah, let's see what this place has to offer, because I've never been to this area before. West Bromston. West Bromston. I need to top up my Oyster card because I only have £3 left, and I'm sure my next destination now I'll be stuck in because I need to top up and I have not topped up. It is cold, let me not lie. I think because I've been so used to a very hot place. I don't even know where my Oyster card is. 1 second. Where's my bank card? Okay. Go my bank card. Oyster card is what I'm looking for now. I think I left it in my pocket. Not so sure. Myself, I paid for data on my phone, but for some very odd reason it's not working. Then now that I'm here, I'm trying to get to this restaurant place or look around to see if there are shops or stuff around. Can't see anything. My mobile data is not working, so I'm not able to know where this restaurant is. See, let me just look for what I'm going to do in my life at the moment, and I'll come back to you guys. I went the wrong way, so I should have been going that way, but I came this way, so I'm going that way. But this place is so beautiful, like this area. I'll show you guys like let me tell you how this works. They have 3 restaurants. One there, one there, one there. You're going to sit in the bureau. Then they have the place for drinks. That's like at the main entrance. You can sit here for free. She said for free. I wasn't even sure if she meant like maybe later on. Anyway, since you have to pay, meaning you have to buy something to eat. This small menu is for food, and this big menu is for drinks. And the 3 restaurants they have here, actually there are 4. Wildcard, Home Slice, Patty Bone, and Honey Pong. So one is Hawaiian, Honey Pong is Hawaiian, Patty Bone obviously you know is burger, Home Slice is pizza, Wildcard is British food. I haven't done outfit of the day, but if Shiloh comes I can ask her if she can, you know, head to toe, or I'll just insert pictures. That's my family outfit. Let me just tell you, my jacket is from ASOS, my turtleneck shirt is from H&M, my pants are from H&M as well, and my shoes ASOS. Look, today is an ASOS stroke H&M day. This place will be so beautiful and well lit at night. Maybe one day come back at night, which I think is not possible because I'm a lazy child. Shiloh just texted me and she said that she's going to be running late because what do you call it? The train stopped. Apparently someone jumped in front of the train. Not her train, but maybe like a train in front of her. So they're trying to sort it out. I want to show you guys my shoe as well. So let us do a mini B-roll of my shirt.
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
They give you this beeping thing as usual, so when your food is ready it will ring, they will call you, and then oh, mine is ringing. Oh, that was fast.
It's really fast.
Oh, you guys, this is Shiloh. Shiloh, say hi.
Hello.
How is ringing too? Who just know?
Yeah, it's not. I have to go over and take it.
Oh yeah, we want to go and get drinks and we'll be back. Oh, it's not ringing anymore. It was a mistake.
Just take it.
No, let's go get drinks.
Yeah, that one.
The chili burger with chips.
Yep. Perfect. Thank you.
And mine is the veggie burger. Thank you. So I got a veggie burger. This is cheese meatball, right? This is fries, obviously,
yeah.
You know what it is. And what burger did you get?
Chili burger.
Chili burger. Time to eat. Oh, you guys remember us doing this in Dundee?
Dundee. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, right. Oh Dundee, I missed that.
I miss Dundee as well.
Good? What? How is it?
It doesn't have any taste.
Huh? Really?
And this tastes like chicken.
You make it busy? If there's no chicken, if you make it busy.
I know, but I feel like it feels like I'm still eating chicken.
Oh really? Oh.
It's actually chicken nuggets.
Because it's sort of fake meat.
Let me tell you guys, honest review,
You know that comes out.
I didn't like my burger. But it's quite amazing for the fact that it's a veggie burger and it kind of tastes like chicken.
Lovely.
And
Thank you so much.
this is a summer something drink.
Thank you.
It has prosecco in it. I'm not really a fan of alcohol.
Bye bye.
But I'm trying to be bougie. And then the cheese stuff was nice. Cheese balls was nice. The fries were nice. Shiloh, how was your burger?
It was okay. I mean, McDonald's is better than that.
My burger, it was actually okay, but
Okay.
I don't think I'm coming back for burger. I can come back for the drinks, I can come back for the fries and cheese balls, but nothing. So yeah, I don't know.